Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start with the essentials. Pick the slide and place clean text blocks where each animated line will go. Once done, select the exact text box. This matters because animations attach to the object. Next, open the Animations tab and click Add Animation. Do not choose a preset yet. Pick one type like Entrance. Make sure to keep phrasing concise so motion feels deliberate, and remember, animation targets selection, not the slide background. Now you'll refine how the text behaves. Change Start to On Click with Previous or After Previous to control sequencing. Once chosen, set duration and delay. Shorter durations feel snappier for titles, longer for emphasis, and always preview after each tweak. Then open Effect Options and pick by letter, by word, or by paragraph depending on rhythm. Make sure to use the animation pane to reorder items. It shows timing precisely, so you can synchronize text with other elements. Finish by reviewing the animation pane. Reorder, group, and fine-tune delays so motion guides the viewer's eye. Once completed, preview the full slideshow, test on the projector or screen you'll use, because performance can differ. If something looks off, make sure to clear overlapping triggers. Then, reset the troublesome animation and reapply it step by step to isolate the problem. A key troubleshooting tip: if animations stutter, reduce complex effects or up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.